best friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how you can make $1,000 in a day just selling lip gloss. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. But first, if you are new here, welcome best friend. I am your new best friend Kaya. I make videos about business, beauty, and lifestyle, things to help you boss up in life. So if this is something that you are interested in a best friend, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn your post notification bells on so you won't miss when I post, okay? So, you want to make $1,000 in a day just selling lip gloss. It is attainable, and I'm gonna tell you how in a minute. First thing that you need to do, you need to figure out what you want to price your product at. This way, you'll know exactly like how many lip glosses you need to sell in a day, in a week, in a month, etc. You'll know what exact number you need to hit in a day, so you're just not guessing and you're just not like just coming up off the top of your head trying to figure out what. So the first thing you do is you need to figure out what you want to price your product at. How you determine the price of your product is the pricing that's from your vendor. So overall, how much your vendor is charging you per piece. How much your overhead is, like your what you're using for your website, what you're using as far as like promotion, all of that. All of these factors matter because you can what you don't want to happen is you price your product as something, then you are getting sales and you're seeing things and you're not really making no money because you didn't put into factors of your vendor costs, you didn't put into factor of your overhead, marketing and stuff like that. So yeah. And finally, after you figure out how much your vendor is going to charge you and how much your overhead is, then you add your profit to that. So say you want to make $5 profit. So say your vendor charges you overall, it collectively equals up to $5, and you want to make $5 in profit. So your overall cost, unless you want to add your shipping into your pricing, your overall cost is going to be $10. If you want to learn an in-depth way that like step by step how you can price your products, how you get the most out of it and include shipping into your pricing, let me know down in the comment section below and I will make a video for you guys so that you can get your pricing on point so you can be making these coins, okay? So just for this example, I'm going to price my product at $13, okay? So say I'm gonna sell my lip glosses for $13, right? And my overall goal is to make $1,000. So how I would determine how much product I need to sell per day and to reach my goal. What I would do is take $1,000 divided by 13. The number that I got was 76.9, a whole bunch of other numbers. So what you do is when you do, say you do get an odd number like that, round it off to the nearest tenth. So my next nearest tenth will be 80. So my goal for the month to make $1,000 that month will be 80. I have to sell 80 lip glosses. Okay, it sounds big, but it's attainable, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I need to sell 80 lip glosses a month. So now I need to know how many lip glosses do I need to sell per week, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take 80 lip glosses and you're going to divide it by, it's 4 weeks, on average, it's 4 weeks in a month. So you're going to take 80 lip glosses divided by 4 weeks and you're going to get 20. So I know I need to sell 20 lip glosses per week to reach my goal of $1,000 a month. Okay, now I know what my weekly goal is. Now I need to know what I need to be hitting every single day. Okay. Now I'm gonna say, okay, 20 lip glosses, and it's 7 days in a week. So I'm gonna say 20 lip glosses divided by 7 days in a week equals how many lip glosses I need to sell. So the number I got was 2.8 and some numbers. Round it off to the nearest, tenth. So the next number the next number that I got was 3. So now I know I need to sell 3 lip glosses a day in order to reach my goal. That's attainable. It doesn't seem so overwhelming. It doesn't seem like it's not attainable, and it doesn't seem hard. 3 lip glosses a day, you can find 3 people to sell sell lip gloss. You can some ways that you can promote and get your lip glosses out there. The way you're gonna promote, you're gonna post on your Instagram page or whatever social media outlet that you want to use. You're gonna post on those pages 3 times a day. Okay, 3 times a day minimum. That's it. You don't have, don't stress yourself. It's not too much of a thing. Like, you can come up with content ideas. Like, let me know down in the comment section below if you want to know like different ways that you can create content to get these 3 posts in for the day, because three is king. 3 is the minimum that you need. Okay, so the next thing, you need to make sure that your hashtags are relevant to what you are selling. In this case, we are going to be selling lip glosses, so your hashtags need to be catered to lip gloss. So hashtag lip gloss sale, hashtag say I'm in Miami lip gloss, hashtag lip gloss plug, stuff like that. Like, you want your hashtags to be relevant to what it is, or it can be also related to the industry that you're in. So lip gloss, that goes into cosmetics. So makeup, so you can use makeup hashtags. You know what I'm saying? You don't go wrong with this. The next thing I need you to do, also too, before we get to the next step, when you're choosing your hashtags, keep your hashtag how many people are in those hashtags. So if you go to the hashtags and you see like it says like 1 million people or something like that, you want to stay away from hashtags like that in the beginning while you're growing, because it's a high chance that you're going to get lost in those. It's a high chance that you're going to get lost in those hashtags and people are not going to see you. So you want to keep your hashtags in between 10K and 150K in the beginning. This increases your chances of getting seen. People going to see what you got and what you have to offer. You want to be seen because we're trying to get these 3 sales a day. Okay. The next thing you need to do is you need to comment on 25 of your ideal customers' pages, the pages that they follow, hashtags that they follow, anything. You need to be engaged. What this means is like you're engaging with your audience. You want them to know that you exist and to be seen. So you have to comment on their stuff. And this also lets Instagram know, or just any platform in general, that you're active, that you're actually a real person and you're engaging with people. And don't just leave like no bland comment like hearts and things like that. Like, actually comment on, like, make a valuable or like a good comment on their stuff, so they're like, oh, okay. Especially if you have like a catchy name or something like that, they're gonna be like, okay, who is this? And they're gonna click on your page, they're gonna see what you got to offer. Boop. As long as your page laid and your website good and you got everything in order, you're gonna get a sale. You definitely gonna get a sale. We're trying to get 3 a day. The next thing I need y'all to do, and I know that some people might be scared and they might not want to do this, but listen, it works. DM 2 of your followers per day, and make sure that you have a call to action. And what I mean by that, a call to action means like, click on my website, check out my profile, stuff like that. Like, you want them to actually don't just reach out to them and talk to them, but actually send them places. People need direction. They want to be told. They need to be told where to do and where to go. So when you're in these people's DMs, you want to introduce yourself. So say, hey, my name is so-and-so. So for this example, I'm just going to, just say, hey, my name is Kaya. I am the owner of White Material Beauty. That is my company. Hey, my name is Kaya. I am the owner of White Material Beauty. And we make custom wigs and beauty products catered to women who want to feel confident and feel good about themselves. You want to make sure you check us out, and then I'm gonna insert my website. And what I'm also going to do is I'm gonna insert a picture or a video of either my hair, my lashes, or my lip gloss, something that I sell, or in this case the lip gloss. I'm gonna send them a picture of the lip gloss, something that's gonna intrigue them and get them like, oh, okay, like I'm about to shop with them. So when you're DMing the people, you introduce yourself. You're gonna tell them your name. You're gonna tell them your company. You're gonna tell them what you do. You're gonna tell them how it benefits them and why they should even care. And you're gonna tell them where to go. Which 9 out of 10, you're gonna send them to your website. Okay. Next, and you really serious about getting these 3 sales a day, promotion on inspirational pages works. I'm telling you. These pages, they can range in between, their pricing could be in between $5, lowest $5, and they can go all the way up to, like, the most I've seen was $45. I personally wouldn't go no more than that unless it's like a real big time influencer. But just for the inspirational pages, between $5 and $45 is good. What this helps is, especially if they have a following that's engaging with their page on a day-to-day, people go to their page, they're looking for inspiration, they're looking for ideas, and they're also looking to shop too. So you can that promotional page to put your work on their page so that their audience can see your work and they interested, so they're gonna come to your page and shop with you. So it helps. Another thing that helps too, if you're already making sales or you already built up your email or text messaging list, send a text or email out to your list saying, offering them a deal like, hey, buy one get one free on lip gloss, limited time, today only, with coupon code, whatever code, and have the link to your web, whatever that offer is. That'll boost those sales up too, so you can get those 3 sales in for the day. Lastly, so after you have done all this and you're doing this on a consistency basis, you're doing this every single day. You have to be consistent with this. You have to do this every single day, okay? For this to work. If you don't work, it won't work. And that's just period. Every day, you need to be tracking your results. You track your results by your insights on your Instagram page. You can go under your picture, especially if you're a business page. Now, if you're not a business page, it might be a little bit harder for you to track this. But on your Instagram business page, you can click on the last pictures that you upload it, go to it, and click the insights, and it'll tell you what people are exactly doing. It'll show you the likes, it'll show you how many times people have shared your stuff, how many times people have saved it, how many times people have actually did some type of action to your on your page. And also too, another way that you can track it is by your website clicks. If you got a website host like Shopify, they tell you how many visitors have visited your page. And if you scroll down a little bit and click, it will also show you where exactly the traffic came from. So you will know if it came from Instagram, if it came from Facebook, if it came from somebody just searching. You will know these things on your Shopify or whatever platform that you use. But I use Shopify for my business because it's easier and it helps me see these type of things, because I need to know what I need to change up, I need to know what I need to improve, or what I need to keep pushing towards. And also another way that you're going to track it is by your sales. You'll know that you're reaching your goal. You'll know you're doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing if you are getting these sales. Now, don't get discouraged in the beginning if you say, oh, dang, I done did this, Frank, I done did all these things, and I ain't got no sales, or I only got 1 sale today. Don't worry. I'm telling you, stay consistent, and it's going to work. You're going to get them sales. You're going to get those 3 sales, and you're going to be getting those $1,000 a month, if not more. And I'm hoping and praying we're going to speak to existence. You're going to get more than $1,000 a month. Following these techniques, you're going to get more. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you share with another best friend so they can come over here and get this knowledge, okay? I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I post. I hope that this helped you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time.